This one? Yeah, that is the one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ladonnajanay. For today's video, I did the highly requested eyebrow tutorial. So I did the eyebrow tutorial that I've been telling you guys I'm going to be doing for you. I finally did it. I get so many questions about my eyebrows on Instagram and at work. Like, people always ask me, what do you use? How did you do your eyebrows? Da 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 da. So wait no more. The video is here. All of your questions are answered in this video. Hopefully they're answered in this video. If you have any questions, anything that I did not include, comment down below, let me know, and I will definitely answer them for you guys. Everything I use is super affordable, super easy. This is a talk through tutorial for you guys, so that way you know what I do step by step, in depth, just because I want you guys to know what I do, because y'all are curious. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. I hope it was very informative, very helpful. If you guys tried the tutorial, let me know how it works for you. I do want to know. Comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell for all of you can know when I upload. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay, so what I find essential is the brush. For sure the brush, because I like how it's short and sturdy like this. I love this brush. No other brush works for me. And I'm going to be going in with the NYX Eyebrow Gel in Espresso. So first thing first, I just brush my eyebrows up. And this is what my eyebrows look like. No products. I do my own eyebrows. I don't have someone that I go to do my eyebrows. I do them myself with a razor and tweezers. So this is what they look like. This is just my natural eyebrow. No products. Nothing. So just brush them up. And you know how like you have a bad eye and a good eye? This is my good eye. This is my bad one. You see this one is like straight kind of, and this one has a little bit of an arch. I love this eyebrow. This one, we be fighting sometimes, okay? So I'm going to go in with the ZOEVA brush, and I've used this jade, what is it called? Stone? This jade stone. Don't mind all this, y'all. So I just put that little dot. That's all you need, because this is pigmented, very pigmented. So you need just a little bit, especially if you're doing a natural brow. I start here. Let me get in a little closer. So I start right here at the arch, and I just do a light hand. You can see like there's barely anything on the brush. Short strokes and go down to the tail. Just like that. And then I go to the front, not picking up any more product. Not picking up any more product. And I bring my eyebrows in a little bit further, just because I like that long brow look. So there's the top. That's how we do the top. Super simple. I mean, you guys, my eyebrows, they're super simple. And I'm using a very, very light hand. I'm not pressing hard. I'm literally like feathering the eyebrow. Short strokes, a light hand. And then I go in and fill it in. And fix anything that I see. You know, you guys can be very... I can be very anal when it comes to my eyebrows. That's why it takes me like 30 minutes. Taking a little bit more of just a smidge, not even a lot, just a little bit, and then I wipe it off. Just because I want kind of like the residue on the brush. There you go, yeah. And then we're going to do the bottom. For the bottom, I go super light. Super, super light. Starting in the front. Short strokes. Short. And bring it out. And you see, I'm just doing a very, very light hand stroke mark motions, I guess you can say. Fill it in. And like I said, I like a super natural eyebrow, so I do not fill in my eyebrow completely. I like to see skin. See? Taking a little bit more, just the same way, just a dab, and dabbing it off. Now we're going to do this tail part here. You see, I didn't even mess with my arch. I find if I mess with the arch, like in this area, that's where it becomes super defined to me. And then I fill in the rest. Going upwards, just little stroke marks. Then at the tail, I bring it down. I don't get any more product. Then I just fill in, go into where I think I need some more, not picking anything else up. No more product. We are done picking up product. No more product. We're just using what's on the brush and feathering out with the product that's on our eyebrow. Blending it, basically. Okay. So that is the eyebrow. Super simple, super easy. Not even... That was nothing. So this is the eyebrow. No product. See? And don't worry about this section. We're going to go and we're going to clean it up. This is something that I will never stop doing, which is cleaning the eyebrow. That gives you that, I just got my eyebrows waxed look. And I love that look because you can do a super natural eyebrow just like this. But as soon as you put that concealer underneath, your eyebrows can look darker and just super defined and beautiful and arched without even doing a lot of product. So I find like concealer under the eyebrow, cleaning it up, that's never going to get old for me. I'm always going to do that. So now we're going to go on to my struggle brow. This eyebrow takes a lot of concentration. It takes a lot of concentration because this eyebrow and this eyebrow, they're not sisters, they're not cousins, they're long lost friends. So that's why I do my good eyebrow first, so that way I can match the struggle brow to somewhat look like stepsisters. Ooh, eyebrow. See, when I do this, I wish my eyebrow looked like that. This is what I want my eyebrow to look like. Why? I don't know. That's the eyebrow. That's what I want. Okay. Stop playing. Like I said, see how you can see right here? Like there's gaps. I like that look. I don't know why. I just personally do. If you don't, you go ahead and fill it in to how you want your eyebrows to look. This is just how I like my eyebrows to look. So now to clean it up. Everything I use, you guys, is also drugstore. I don't need high-end products to do my eyebrows. Drugstore works just fine for me. But anyway, anyways, the brush that I'm going to be using is it's an E.L.F. concealer brush. This one. And it looks like this. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. This gives me that underbrow highlighted look, and I just squeeze them out on the tube, and I just do it like this. So I make this brush super flat, and then I just take some like a ball, and I just wipe it off. You don't need too much, but you need enough to conceal. All right, now I do my struggle brow first with the concealer. starting at right here, starting in this area where I put most of the product. Going up, it's hard to talk because my pinky is resting on my mouth. Go to the arch and bring it down. I didn't do the short motion, I just brought it up and brought it down in one motion. Same thing, let's bring it down, make that nice and sharp. Sorry. And don't worry about that, how it's super sharp. We're gonna go in and fix that. I have to round it out. That does not stay sharp like that. Going to the front, same thing. And this is where I thin out my brows because you can see here it's super boxy and super sharp, super thick, I mean. I don't want them thick. I want them medium to thin. That's what I find fits best on my face, is medium to thin. So I took some more concealer and I'm doing the front of my brow where I make the desired shape and thickness, or width wise, I guess you can say. So I'm just basically thinning them out with my concealer, then I drag it down. Take my finger and then I blend this in. I don't want it too it looks a little light right now, just because I don't have the rest of my like foundation and everything on. And then another product that I love, which is also from NYX, is the Micro Brow Pencil. And I use espresso in this one as well. And I love this pencil. I use this sometimes too if I'm in a rush. I like it because it's super like, it's micro. It's super thin and it's hard like a crown. And I love pencils like that. So in this area right here in my arch where it's super sharp, I'm just going to round it out. And I'm not even applying a lot of pressure. Boom. Boom. Yes, bitch. So then I'm going to do my other one. I'm going to do that for you guys. I'm going to do all this on camera. Putting some product on the brush. Do the same thing. Starting here. And take my finger. Oh, I put that down. Take my finger and blend it up. To set them in place, not saying you need to set them, because that is waterproof and it makes your eyebrows hard. I like to set them because after I do my powder foundation and everything, it gets stuck in my eyebrows. So in order for me to take that out, I use a clear brow gel, and this is the E.L.F one. It's the duo side. It's the lashes and it says lashes and eyebrow. I use them both for my eyebrows because I don't wear clear mascara. So that's why this one is brown. Don't judge me. So what I do, I just put this on my eyebrow. So I take the tip of it and I just run it over my eyebrows just to put the product on. And then is when I brush it. And this works pretty good for $2. It gets my hairs hard, but I don't have wild hairs in the first place. So I just do this to stand them up. So I just do this to set them, basically. Not that they move, but I just push them up like this. Take some more. Do the same thing. Pushing them up. And I don't know what it is. It just gives me like a bushy brow. And let's push them up. Like that. All drugstore, all affordable, and this is what your eyebrow looks like. So this is my eyebrows, you guys. That's how I do my eyebrows. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was informative. Don't mind me that I don't have any makeup right now. I wanted to do this video for you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if it was helpful. Comment down below if this is something similar that you guys would do. If you try it out, let me know how it works for you. And yeah, you guys, thank you for watching the highly requested eyebrow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Hit that post notification bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload. And until my next one, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye, guys.